Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to personalize the Start menu. The first thing you probably noticed with Windows 10 was the colorful and vibrant Start menu. What once was a button on the bottom of your screen has grown to become a fun screen experience with live tiles that show images and even advertisements. But did you know that you can customize it? Here's how you can do it. Hit the Windows key or click on the search box and type in Settings, then click on it once you've found it. Locate where it's written Personalization. Now look for Start. You can choose which system folders you want to see on the left-hand side, show recently added apps, rearrange and resize the titles and much more. If you don't like the new Start menu, then simply repeat the same process and turn off every button except Show App List in the Start menu. It will bring back the more familiar menu. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.